Multiply the quantity x minus y times the quantity x squared minus xy minus y squared. So here we will multiply x times each term of the second polynomial and then come back and multiply negative y times each term. So this would be equal to x times x squared, then minus x times xy, and then x times, or it's a minus here, so it's minus x times y squared. Now come back and multiply the negative y, or the opposite of y, times x. So that would be the opposite of y times x squared is what I should say. Now the opposite of y multiplied by the opposite of xy, so that's going to be positive because we're multiplying two terms with like signs, or two factors with like signs, and that would be y times xy. Once again, negative by negative is positive, and it would be y times y squared. Let's simplify. X times x squared is x cubed. Here we have minus x squared y minus xy squared minus, and let's rearrange this to put the x first, x squared y, plus, here we'd have y times y is y squared, so it's xy squared, and then finally y cubed. Come back now and let's combine like terms. There's only one x cubed. We'll write that first. Here we have a negative x squared y minus an x squared y, so that's minus 2 x squared y. Here we have minus xy squared plus xy squared. They sum to 0, and then we have this term plus y cubed. That's our simplified answer.